English, the joke continuation. See, joke is the food for your soul. Joke, sense of humor. People appreciate persons who are having sense of humor. Whatever talent you are, if you are keeping your face rough and tough and you are unable to say any jokes, then your personality, you are short of personality. So, that's the reason why in movies you find jokers play an important role. They are paid higher, much more better salary than the heroes and heroines. So, joke is very important, making others to laugh. 1 moment, 1 second, or even for 5 minutes, there are very talented comedians who can make you to keep on laughing for 5 minutes also. So, you forget yourself, completely you forget yourself. You have taken to your center. So, you do not have all the mental problems, whatever you have, your thoughts, everything stops for at least few minutes. The more the minute a comedian makes you to laugh or a person makes you to laugh, that is the success of the communication skill by the comedian or by the person who make you laugh. That is the leadership quality. So, sense of humor, the sense of making others to laugh. It is an important trait which you have to develop. Now, coming here, joke. A little girl asked her mother, "Mother, how did the human beings come into this world? How is the human beings, everybody are here, how is it possible? How did we come?" She was very curious. She asked her mother. The mother replied, "Oh dear, God made Adam and Eve." Oh dear. In Christianity, she is telling the story exactly what happened. God has created Adam and Eve, and they had children, and that is how human beings are here in this planet. So, mother gives an explanation about the biblical story about how the human beings are born in this world. The girl went to her father and asked him the same question. She went to her father. She is not satisfied. She went to her father and asked the same question. And father replied, "Many years ago there were monkeys were there, from which the human beings came." So, the father says, human beings have come from monkeys. Mother says, from Adam and Eve. The little girl is so confused. She is so confused. Mother says like this, from Adam and Eve, men has come, human beings have come. And here father says, human beings have come from monkeys. The young child was so confused. That she came to my mother and said, "Mother, how was it possible that you told that human beings are created by God? You are telling the human beings are created by God through Adam and Eve, and father says human beings have come from monkeys. How is it possible, mother?" The mother answered, "Well, dear, it is true." She says, "It is true what your father has told, and what I have told also, it is true. I told you about my side of the family. My side is coming from Adam and Eve. That is the God's creation. God has created Adam and Eve, and from that my side of family is coming. And your father told about his side of his family. Your father is telling about his side of family. What is his side? From monkeys. Your family is all, your father's family is all monkey family. Generally in every family you can find the father and mother or the husband and wife talking proud about their family background, and she is talking proud about their family background, and he wants to poke and she wants to poke and make fun. So, this is the joke over here. Next joke, how to deal with telemarketers. Telemarketers is a real headache, isn't it? So, you are so busy, you get a call, you are anxious to know who the caller is. Then finally they say, "Do you want a housing loan? Do you want a insurance? Do you want to go abroad? Do you want to have education loan?" and all those things, and you are so irritated. So, how to deal these telecallers? So, if a telecaller phones and asks you whether you need any personal loan, suppose if he or she asks you, "Do you want any personal loans?" and what you should say? You should say, "Yes, I applied for bankruptcy." Bankruptcy means what? Losses. I don't have any asset, liability is more. So, I told everything is gone. Yes, I need bank loan, bankruptcy. "If you give me money, how can I keep it?" So, if you give me money, I won't pay you. Should I ever pay back the money? Should I return back the money? You just make her to get confused, irritated. Okay. If a telecaller calls and asks, how are you today? How are you today? You may reply, I am glad you asked because nobody is caring for me. If anybody rings up and asks, telecaller, how are you? Then you can say, nobody is there to take care of me. Nobody is loving me. Nobody is loving me. My dog is dead. My wife is fighting with me. If she still says about the sales of a product, if she still says, you have to buy the product, and you do not bother and keep talking her about your problems, keep on telling about your problems, do not bother about what she says. She says, okay, you buy this product and that product, but do not bother about that, you keep on telling about your problems. Next, coming here, third question. If a telecaller calls you and says he or she is from BBC, ABC company or BBC company or whatever the company is, you ask him or her to spell her name. Ask, what's your name? Then ask him or her to spell her company's name. Spell your company's name in the sense with the initials letters. Then ask where it is located. Continue asking personal questions or questions about the company for as long as possible. So, keep on asking them. So, they will be getting confused. Fourth question, if the telecaller asks you to donate blood for some social activities, if she asks, okay, give me some blood of yours, then you can ask whether it is goat blood, children blood, why she is interested in human blood. You can ask why you are interested in human blood. So, my dear friends, these are the jokes which have been written here, and you can tell the jokes and try to develop, and we have a competition also, as I have told you. Now, we shall start the jokes. Yes, shall we start with who wants to start? Yes, you can come.
A little girl, sorry, my name is Shiv, I am going to tell a joke. There was a little girl and she went and asked her mother, mother, how that human being came into this world. A mother with a smiley face, and she said, oh dear, God has created Adam and Eve. They are the children, from them we all born in this world. You are created by God. And she was happy hearing these words from her mother. Then she went to her father and asked the same question. The father said, many years ago there were monkeys. From there human being are created. This little girl was so confused. Why is this mother saying like this, father is saying like this? And she went to her mother and she said, mother, that you said human beings are created by God through Adam and Eve. But our father says human beings are created through monkeys. As the mother was listening this, and she said, well said, it is true, of course. And your father, yes, it's well said, it is true, because my side of family are coming from God. Your father said about his side of his family. Dear friends, if you have any problem with any telemarketers, if they call you, first thing is, if they call and ask you, sir, do you want a personal loan? And you should say, yes, I applied for bankruptcy. And if they ask anything, you can say, madam, is that I have to keep that money within me, or is that I have to repay back? If telecallers calls you and ask you, sir, how are you? You may say, yeah, I'm glad that you asked me. Nobody is caring for me, nobody is loving me, and my dog also dead, and my wife also always fighting with me, and if she kept on explaining her product, you kept on saying about your problems. Keep on. If telecaller calls and says, okay, I'm coming from ABC companies, you may say, okay, could you spell your name? Or you may ask, yeah, could you spell your organization name or company's name? And where is your company located? You kept on asking questions and she will be irritated. If telemarketers calls you and ask, donate your blood for social activities, you may ask whether you want goat's blood or cow's blood or monkey's blood or children's blood. Thank you.
Hello everybody. I tell a story for you. One day a little girl asked her mother, "Mother, how the human beings are come into the world?" The mother told her so on say. A little girl asked her mother, "Mother, how the human beings are come into this world?" Mother replied, "Dear baby, the God created Adam and Eva. They had children, from which the human beings are come into this world." The baby went to her father and asked the same questions. The father replied, "Many years ago, there were monkeys from which the human beings came." The baby is so confused. So she went to her mother and asked the same question. "Mother, you told the human beings are come from Adam and Eva and created by God, but my father told the human beings are come from monkeys. I'm getting so confused." So the mother answered, "Well dear, I told about my family and your father told about his family." Every day we have a call from telecallers. How to deal with telecallers? If a telecaller calls and say, "Hi sir, how are you today?" Then you reply to the telecallers, "I am very glad about your question, and because nobody caring about me and nobody loving, and my wife fighting with me every day, and my friend drank acid today, and some so if she or he continuously talking about his or her company means tell this kind of way and speak with him or her. That's all. And if a telecaller asked or says he or she from ABC company means you tell please speak loudly and tell how is your company is working, and spell your company's name or company's address where it is located. So keep talking about this kind of way. If telecallers continuously irritating to you means that's kind of way it's very specially for us. Okay, thank you.
Good morning everybody. I am Selok Kumar. I am telling a joke. A little girl asked her mother the question. A little girl asked her, "Mother, how did you came to the human being?" Mother replied, "Human being come from the God made of the Adam and Eva." Okay, sir, a little girl went to the father. Same question, asked the same question. The father says, the human beings came for the many years ago the monkeys. The little girl was very confused. Okay, little girls same will go for the mother asks the question. Mother, you say is human beings come into the Adam and Eva. Our father says for monkey side. Okay, mother say first. Okay, I say this is correct. I say is I say is my family side. The father is his side. If a telecaller calls you, you asked how are you? You say is I am glad. I am glad. I am glad. My dog is dead. My wife and relation is fighting with me. So okay, you was continuously speak your personal problem, and you was irritating speaking. You was irritating speak is the his side. But if a telecast calls if you donate the blood, some social activities, you say is you ask goat blood, monkey's blood, can blood. Why was asking a human blood? Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Krishna. I am a student of As American Spoken English. I am going to tell you a joke which make you laugh. A little girl asked his mother how the human beings came into the world. The mother replied, God created Adam and Eve, and they had children. Then only human beings come into the world. And he went to his father and asked the same question. Father replied, many years ago, monkeys are there. From them, human beings came into the world. The little girl was confused and returned back to the mother. And mother, how is possible? You said human beings came from Adam and Eve, which was God created, but father told human beings came from monkeys, which is true. Which is true. Mother replied, yeah, it's true. I said my side of the family comes from God's created, and your father told about his family comes from. If a telecaller calls, I am going to tell you a second joke. If a telecaller calls you to donate blood or something, you have to tell you want goat blood or monkey's blood or cow's blood. Why you are asking human beings blood? Thank you.
என் பேர் மோகனா. நான் ஒரு ஸ்டோரி சொல்ல போகிறேன், கதை சொல்ல போகிறேன். ஒரு சின்ன பொண்ணு அவங்க அம்மாட்ட போய் கேட்டா, அம்மா நம்ம எப்படி இந்த உலகத்துக்கு வந்தோன்னு. அதுக்கு அந்த அவங்க அம்மா சொல்லுவாங்க, நம்ம கடவுள் நம்மளை படைச்சாரு, ஆதாம் ஏவாள் படைத்த மாரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த பொண்ணு அதே கொஸ்டினை போய் அவங்க அப்பாண்ட கேட்கும்போது அவங்க அப்பா நம்ம குரங்குலேருந்து வந்தோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த பொண்ணுக்கு ரொம்ப டவுட்டாக இருக்கும். போய் அவங்க அம்மாண்டே கேட்கும், அம்மா நீ ஒரு மாதிரி சொல்கிற, அப்பா ஒரு மாதிரி சொல்கிறாரு, நம்ம எப்படிம்மா வந்தோன்ட்டு. அதுக்கு அவங்க அம்மா சொல்லுவாங்க, ரெண்டுமே கரெக்ட் தாம்மா. எங்களுடைய குடும்பம் கடவுளால் அருளால் வந்தது, உங்கள் அப்பாவுடைய குடும்பம் குரங்குலேருந்து வந்தது.
என் பேர் சிவசங்கர். ஜோக் நம்ம நிறைய இடத்துல காமெடி நிறைய இடத்துல பார்க்கலாம். நம்மளுக்கு டெலிகாலர்ஸ்லாம் ஃபோன் பண்ணாங்கன்னா நம்ம எப்படி ஜாலியாக அட்டன் பண்ணுறதை நான் அப்படியே காமெடியாக சொல்ல போகிறேன். ஃபஸ்ட்டு டெலிகாலர் கால் பண்ணி பர்சனல் லோன் வேணுமா கேட்குறாங்க. அதுக்கு நீங்கள் என்ன சொல்கிறீங்கன்னா, நான் பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட் டிவால் ஆகிடுச்சு, என்னோடய எல்லாமே லாஸ்ட்டில் போயிடுச்சு, இப்போ நீங்கள் என்கிட்ட கொடுக்குற லோனை நான் திருப்பி கட்டணுமா கட்டக்கூடாதான்னு கேட்குறீங்க. அடுத்தது இன்னொரு டெலிகாலர் ஃபோன் பண்ணி நீங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னு உங்களை ஃபஸ்ட்டாக தான் கேட்பாரு. நீங்கள் அப்படி கேட்கும்போது நீங்களா என்னை கேட்குறீங்களே எப்படி இருக்கீங்கன்னு, என் நாய் செத்து போச்சு, என் ஒய்ஃப் என்னை விட்டு போயிட்டா, என் ரிலேஷனில் ஒரே ஃபைட்டாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் அவர் இன்னொரு டெலிகாலர் ஃபோன் பண்ணுறாங்க. அவங்க வந்து ஏபிசி கம்பெனிலேருந்து ஃபோன் பண்ணுறாங்க. நீங்கள் ஏபிசி கம்பெனிலேருந்து ஃபோன் நீங்கள் கேட்குறீங்க, உங்கள் பேரை நீங்கள் ஸ்பெல் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் கம்பெனி பேர் நீங்கள் ஸ்பெல் பண்ணுங்கள். அவங்கள நீங்கள் பேச விடக்கூடாது, நீங்களே அப்படியே திருப்பி பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கணும், கொஸ்டின் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கணும். அப்புறம் உடனே டெலிகாலர் ஃபோன் பண்ணி இந்த மாதிரி சோஷியல் ஆக்டிவிட்டிக்காக ஃபோன் பண்ணி நீங்கள் அவங்க பிளட்டை டொனேட் பண்ணலாம்ல, நல்லா நிறைய பேருக்கு நடக்கும், அதுக்கு நீங்கள் சொல்கிறீங்க என்ன பிளட் டொனேட் பண்ணணும், கவு பிளட்டா, என்ன பிளட் டொனேட் பண்ணோம், ஏன் ஹியூமன் பிளட் கேட்குறீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ.